guys, this is my Godzilla collection. Excuse me. I'm going to show you. Okay. First of all, we have this cool custom I made. It's evolved Godzilla. It has clay spikes and clay, these clay things, Stegosaurus spikes. Yeah. And we have over here is a custom King Kong, the one with the beast glove. I couldn't find his axe. Let's bring it up here. Yeah, he doesn't have the axe, and he still has the chest scar because Godzilla scarred him for life. And here is a dog, custom dog. There's also a custom Shimu that's not finished. Yeah, and also we have this Godzillasaurus. And this is another dog. Let me bring it out. It's so dark. Let me just open the light. Oh, lights. This is my Godzilla mini clays. Okay. And also, here's the dog. This is the thing that attacked Kong and Zuko in the new movie. And here's Zuko, which is a monkey that I painted. Here's another dog. I have 3 dogs. Also, we have Gorosaurus. Nice. Yeah, I painted the dinosaur to make Gorosaurus. And also, this is the flying thing from Godzilla X Kong. Yeah, this. Come on, Gorosaurus fell. And here, I painted the Godzilla versus Destroyer Godzilla burning mode form. I wanted to make him like thermal burning Godzilla from like a older version of the Thermo. Oh yeah, this guy looks like him, but it's not Godzilla. Oh yeah, I also have a Destroyer, but I'm gonna show you that later. Okay, and we also have this Mechagodzilla. I tried to make him like a supercharged, like the Godzilla from Trendmasters. Also, we have a mini Godzilla Jr. That's it for the customs. Now we're going to go on to these. So we have the Destroyer. Get him out, like he's flying. There's the Destroyer. And also here's a King Ghidorah. Yeah, this is King Ghidorah. And also we have Mechagodzilla from 2021. Yeah, that's a 2021 Kong, but I gave him a beast glove out of clay. And we have my first ever Godzilla toy anyways. Godzilla Earth. He lost his arm. And also we have a singular point Anguirus. I showed you that in the making of the video of yesterday's video. I showed you him, and also the unboxing of the other guy. And this is a Skull Crawler from 2021, and he got demolished by Mecha. And now we have this Godzilla, my second Godzilla toy ever. That's my second Kong toy. Nice. Yeah. Now we have the newest part of my collection, Anguirus. Oh yeah, I forgot something in my. This is supposed to be a burning Godzillasaurus. It's just a custom character I made. It's not yet finished, just like the Shimo figure. So cool. That's really cool. So, if you want me to show you a Siren Head collection, I can do that tomorrow. Like Chimney Head, these are my Siren Heads, but that's for another day. Also, if you want me to make a whole collection video of these mini clay Godzilla, I made them, so I'll post one. This is a mini Suko that you can see. Okay, goodbye.